Hi again. Um, Today we are covering web design. We're just going back to what we covered last few days. Basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to design a complete page. I'll be a bit faster today. To start off, so if I go to pages here and I go to all pages, now all pages, it will list all the pages, and you can see here we have hijam page, we have consultant page, but the one for myself that I'm going to work on is the testing page, where we have, so I'll go to edit with Elementor. So I'm going to edit this page using the Elementor plugin. Okay, page is loading. All right, now this is the page you are working on, we're going to work on. So I hope to change the whole page. Now there's so many ways that I could use. Last time when we did some few changes on this page to change the background, edited this image, and entered information here, and did all these buttons. We did this button here. I could as well decide to delete this page, the section, and I'm going to put on a new section. So I'm going to create a new section, and so this is an empty section. And if I go back to our 9 dots here on the left, I could use any of these tools here. So far we've worked on heading, and we've worked on inner section, we've done images, we've done text editor, we've done buttons and videos. And that's what I'm going to concentrate on at the moment, because these are the ones that we've been using for the last few. So I may want on this image, in this section, to start it with an image. So what I'll do, I'll drag an image here, then I'm going to start, I'm going to upload a new image. I could download image from my page, from my computer, or I could go to free image, where I can get an image. So I'm going to write a page about computers. Computer. Right. So just take that image and this image and that image, okay. So 300, and I want it to be, that's okay. So I want the image to be on the right side. Now I'm going to add here another section. I'm going to go to plus sign, and this is going to be 2 blocks, one on the left and one on the right. The one on the left, I'm going to add on text. The one on the right, I'm going to add on an image. So if I go to the 9 dots, the text, I'm going to the text editor. So if I just copy this text a few times, okay, copy that text a few times, and on the right I'm going to put probably another image. I'm going to drag the image here, then we have the image, and I'll use that. Okay, so if I go back to this text, I want to do more text here. Okay, add more text. All right, so okay, so this featured in, I will leave it here. I'll change the background, I'll change the text color to blue to blend in with the image. So I have the blue text color. I featured on TV. Okay, so we have this section here, image gallery. So I'm going to import a few images here. See here on the left it reads image gallery, and here it tells us the number of images. I could add on, but let's do 3. And if I click here, add gallery, so I'm going to get some more images. If I go here, I type in laptop, and I select that, and that, and that. Where are the other images? Laptop. Add to gallery. Add on another image, laptop. Okay, add. Okay, so we have 3 images. That's gallery. So in our gallery we have all the 3 images here. Now here I'm going to change this text color to blue. I could change the background image. If I go, first of all, let me change typography. Okay, we have text here. I'm going to copy that text and add more text. Copy. So we have more text. Now this text, I may want it to go on left. Okay, so that's fine. So we have our image, we have that. Now this, see if you put it on the right, maybe it looks better on the right. Okay, we'll do some more work on this to make the page look good. It's all close to each other. So these are the things later on we're going to learn how to space. Like here we have these images. This image we may want to cover the whole page. So you can see the these images here. So all these spaces we'll work on them. So this one we've worked on this one's products. So this one I could change the products or our new products, and if I go over here we can easily change the color. We want them to be blue. That's right. So all this we change into blue. And that change to blue. Right. Okay, this white is not blending in well, so what I'm going to do, if I select, first of all, if I select here or I select here, I'm able to change the background color of here. So let's see if we go, that's okay. Yeah, that looks better. I go here as well, I go to style, change that color. Okay, that all looks good. We could change all this to white. So I click on that, go back here, text color, go back here, text color, I go back here, style, text color, right. Okay, so far okay, that's all done. Then we have another one here. This the background color. Okay. I get an image of a laptop. So we get okay, this image. And I add in that. Okay, so now this is all right. So we can change that. Let me go further. Okay, so change this to white back. Blue. Yeah. Okay. Now, if I hold here where these 9 dots are, that means I'm going to work on the background of this section. So if I hold here, I can import an image, and we have an image here of a laptop. So this image is covering here, but the image is so big that it covers that we can't see the laptop. So we can mess around with some of these settings, and you can see now the laptop is starting to appear. So we don't want to repeat, we go to no repeat, so which means we want it to be centered, and I may want auto cover or cover all. So okay, so that's fine. Then we go here, need a device. I change that to our brand is blue colors for the main text. Keep it to blue. Okay. Right, so it's all good. So we could do the button. We could change the button. Sorry, so white. No, not black. Blue. Okay. Background. Leave background as it is. Change blue. Okay. So, and this one we might do some bit of change on this. We miss here, we import a video here. So if I go here and I drag a video, so we need the YouTube video. They have one here already, or we can we can copy a link, then we post a link here. What people say about us. We have already information on that. Okay. Our success story. I go here. We still need to stick to blue. Okay. And on this side, on the right, we bring in an image. Okay. Image and another image on the right. So I'm going to go for images here. Get a few more laptops. We have that already. Go for that. And you have go for laptop. Go for that. What? Insert. Okay. All this. Okay, that's fine. Change this to blue. Oh, undo. That's black. Blue. Okay. Okay, so basically this, I could change this, the background of this. I hold on the 9 dots. I go over here. We have an option, we can bring in an image. I'm going to get an image called tech. Try that. Insert. It's loading, it's just taking ages. Okay. Go back. Media files. It didn't load that image. Go back. Tech. Let me go for that. Insert. So that's our background image. Make this text black to stand out. Same with this black. Same with this black. Okay. So if I go back to our main one, this image here. I'll do custom, actually. I get a better image. Go to tech. Looking for, try this again and see. That's right. Okay. And putting text on top and say MK Tech agents. Right, so I might change that to blue. I want to center that. Center. That image. I center it. And I hold that. Right. Save that. Okay, so we just edited this page with images, videos, and text. And as we go along, we will learn like how to do formatting, how to change to space these spaces, because like you can see here, it's cramped next to each other. So basically at this stage, if you practice, you should be able to design a simple page like this. And this is the most difficult part, basically with WordPress. Once you get the grips of this, then the rest will be easy, it's just flat on. So this is what I wanted to teach you, and the next class we are going to practice this in, and we shouldn't have a problem by now on designing a simple website like this. Okay, thank you very much for listening to me.